Local versus monitored fire alarm systems. What's the difference? Introduction. When you hear a fire alarm go off, what happens next? Does it just warn the people inside the building, or does it automatically notify the fire department at the same time? Well, that depends on the type of fire alarm system in place. First, let's talk about local fire alarm systems. These are the most basic type of fire alarms. They detect smoke or heat using a smoke or heat detector, and alert the people inside the building using a notification appliance. However, they do not automatically call for help if no one reacts or calls the fire department. The danger can escalate quickly. Monitored fire alarm systems work differently. When the alarm activates, a monitoring service receives an alert and takes action. They will either contact the property owner or dispatch emergency services immediately, sometimes within seconds. Having a monitored fire alarm system should mean the difference between saving lives and catastrophic loss. For businesses, schools, and large buildings, monitored systems provide an extra layer of security, ensuring help arrives even if no one is present to call 911. Closing. So, next time you see a fire alarm, ask yourself, does this just make noise and flash, or does it notify the fire department? Understanding the difference should save lives. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you all next time.